Here's the dining room, and it's really a little small for a mansion. One of the problems is trying to get lights properly centered over the table, where the table will be, and that was difficult here. Really, we don't worry about it in most places. We just worry about the light hitting where the art is going to be. But when it's like over a mantel place, such as the piece in here, we ended up having to put two in to get them evenly spaced. Or a dining room table, we'll go to a lot of trouble. In this case, we're actually going to bring in an unusual type of low clearance light to put on either side of where that delightful bare bulb is, will be the chandelier. And those little tiny lights will accent the table very nicely. And there'll be probably invaluable art around the walls. This is this kind of narrow hall. It's kind of a funny looking house in many ways because it has some of these odd details. We're looking towards the front entranceway, and it may not seem quite as grand as one would think for a home that costs well over $2 million. But once the art's installed and these walls are lit, it's going to seem really terrific because the light will seem to come out of the walls. And maybe I'll get a chance to come back here and take an after shot after the decorators are finished with it, because I think it'll be a pretty spectacular space. There'll be art everywhere. Here's another light here. This is the kitchen, which is actually bigger than the dining room. You've got your requisite Sub-Zero fridge here, and I think they'll save the marble countertops as opposed to tearing them out and replacing them with other marble countertops. And there's going to be some fairly nice lighting here. This won't be low voltage though. We're going to reuse some of the existing light to, save a few bucks.